Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today, let's go over the basics of how to add plugins in Audacity. It's super easy, so let's get started. First, look at the file where your plugin is downloaded. If it's in a zip or RAR format, extract it first. I already have mine ready, so let's move on. Now, right-click on the extracted DLL file and copy it. Next, we need to move this file to Audacity's plugin directory. To do that, follow these steps. Head to Drive C, Program Files, Audacity, Plugins, and there you have it. Paste the copied file there. If you already had Audacity open, make sure to restart it and open it. Once Audacity is open, go to Effects and Manage Plugins. Now, find your installed plugin in the list. Mine is right here. Click on it and make sure it's enabled. And that's it. You've successfully added a plugin in Audacity. Easy, right? If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe and stay tuned for more tutorials. See you in the next one.